This is the damn problem I have. This is the problem I have. This fucking shit right here.
Shut the fuck up.
Why is the shit still going on? You serious right now? Are you serious right now? Get that shit fucking together. Like, it's bad enough that the fucking alarm is in my damn room. I'm about to take a hammer and just smash this shit into a million pieces right now. Oh! This is blowing my shit the fuck up! You know what? I'm gonna come back to y'all when this is finished. When this damn noise is off. And we gonna have real talk. Yo, do y'all ever listen to Rick Ross, yo? Every time that nigga talk, he's always like, oh, I woke up this morning, oh, I brushed my teeth in this bitch, oh, yeah, I used mouthwash to clean my breath, oh, cause I be having all that morning sex, oh. I swear to God, yo, I think he got like mucus all in his chest, so like every time he gets through a line, he has to like get the mucus up. And then like once the fucking song is over, he's like, oh. He's like, I'm burning purple flower. Oh. Wait. Yo, stop this song. I want to do the verse over. Got some phlegm caught in my throat. Oh, yeah. I'm burning purple flowers. Oh, it's burning my chest. Wait, oh. I really think Rick Ross, man. I love Rick Ross though. I think he's hilarious. Like every song he does, he's just like, oh shut the hiccup in now. I wonder if he was like that when he was in school. I'm going into class. Oh, I'm about to learn. Oh, I'm in my closet, bitch. Oh, I'm getting dressed. I'm putting hoodies on. And I'm having sex. Oh, bad bitches all day. Oh, I be caressing them bitches, they faces. Oh shit. Don't judge me. Got a fedora hat. Oh, fuck. I got some Clorox wipes. Oh. That shit gave me the hiccups. I got a tie, yo. Oh, I'm looking fresh. I be having sex. Everything I do is about sex. I got a bracelet on. I love boobies. Oh. Nigga, I got my own boobies. Oh. With some tattoos on. Cause I know it's real. Cause I know they real. Tell my name on my tits, I know they real. Oh. I got some Bowling Spring, bitch, cause I know it's real. I got some pair of slippers, cause I know it's real. Tatted drawing on my hoodie, cause I know it's real. Oh. Drinking me a bottle of Sprite. Wait, that's Snapple. Cause I know it's real. Oh. I'm getting A's in all my classes, cause I know it's real. Tap my grades on my wall, cause I know they real. Oh. I enjoy that vagina cause I know it's real. Oh. Yo! Fucking up my video, bumping me into the door and shit.
What the fuck you doing?
Get the fuck out of my face.
What the fuck you doing?
I'm trying to record a video.
It's not
You
funny.
need to giddy up, you giddy hoe. Oh. Come on! Man, trying to record, he trying to put the door open and shit. Nah, so I think... Look at you, sure that door try to pop open. You seen that shit, right? He's trying to pop the door open when I'm recording. So yeah, that's my opinion about Rick Ross. I think Rick Ross is a great artist.
Yes.
I hope somebody sees this video. Stop playing with the damn door! I hope somebody sees this video and like decides to like sign me to a label and shit because I'm funny. Stop playing with my door! Fuck. Cause I know it's real. Oh. Yeah. And when I'm waking in the morning time, oh, I'm spitting all these morning rhymes. Oh, I had a seizure on the fucking plane. Oh, and when it came down, I shook my brain. Oh, all my niggas getting money. We sitting on the toilet. Bitch, we shitting money. Oh, I got punchlines like boxing gloves. Oh. Alright, so I gotta go, man. I gotta finish this paper. I just wanted to give y'all a video. Okay. Bye-bye.